I said it that we're going to be making awesome recipes this year, right? I said it. Hey guys, good day and welcome to another segment of Skincare Tips and Tricks with me. It's Abby here. So today we're making DIY cleansing balm using jojoba oil. We all know that jojoba is one of the most skin-friendly oils, and then we're going to be using honey. This cleansing balm can be used to cleanse your face, maybe from after when you wear your makeup. This is very amazing and it's going to give your skin a pop. So we're going to be measuring 15 mils of our jojoba oil, right? Set it aside, and we will be adding as well our honey into this. 15 mil of honey as well, and we'll need a bowl to store this, so we can use our cotton wool to apply this on our face. So we're going to be mixing together. And you know that there's going to be a separation, but whenever you want to use, just mix well, right? Mix so well so that everything can easily combine. You can see that there's a separation. So what I'll do now, I'll show you guys. So I'm going to be pouring into my bottle so that I can mix properly. And you know, beyond just cleansing your face with this cleansing balm, this is also good for all skin types. We all know the benefits of jojoba oil and honey. So you're going to be getting that antibacterial benefits from honey and all the juicy benefits from jojoba oil as well. So here's our cleansing balm. I hope you guys give it a try at home. So whenever you want to use, you just need to give it a shake. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so that you can get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.